This guy did 2 million revenue his first year of his plumbing business. But it's not his first rodeo, okay? He had a first business and it did not go quite so smoothly. This time around, he's growing much faster, much more relaxed. He's able to sleep better, and it's because of the granularity of his finances. So I think that that is a really good lesson for folks who are doing service businesses, especially plumbing, restoration, home service businesses. If you do not have a really good handle on your financials, might work well in the beginning, but the wheels come off when you try to grow. So he learned that lesson, and on round two with a new business, he has everything in place, a full-time accountant at $2 million revenue. That is a lot of accounting horsepower for not a very big business, relatively speaking, but it is such a good lesson to learn. So if you're planning to go from one van to two or two to three, you really need to make sure your finances are in order. Don't be doing back of the napkin math at that stage. Have something set up beforehand.